Hi there, welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we're happy to present this 2015 Jeep Renegade Latitude 4x4 with only 68,000 kilometers. This 2015 Jeep Renegade 4x4 Latitude has factory aluminum wheels, fog lamps, one of my favorite features, remote start. You get power windows, power locks, air conditioning, tilt steering, cruise control, power mirrors, and here's a nice feature, a power driver's seat with lumbar support. Lots of room in the back for passengers, tall, short, all shapes and sizes, and you get a 60/40 rear split cloth seat. Rubber floor mats. Here's an option you don't usually find. This little Jeep Latitude has blind spot monitoring and rear cross path detection. So it's a super safe little 4x4. On the inside, the great features just continue. You got automatic headlamps. You got Bluetooth hands-free for those calls, incoming calls and calls you want to make without even touching your phone. You've got cruise control. You've got heated seats and a heated steering wheel, dual zone climate control, and oh, this is my favorite, a backup camera. This little Renegade's got the legendary Jeep 4x4 system. As you can see, four-wheel drive lock, auto, snow, sand, and mud mode. Go ahead and have some fun, because you probably won't get stuck. Jeep Renegades are known for their roomy interiors, and you can just get a ton of stuff back here if you need to make a Costco run, or maybe you got four-legged fuzzy family members. It's a great space. And no worries if it's cold, or it's snowing, or it's rainy. You know what? We'll take whatever vehicle you're looking at, like this Jeep Renegade, and we'll back it in so you can look at it under the showroom lights in our really warm, cozy indoor showroom. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we offer low-rate financing with extended terms. We also help people that have had bruised credit. Maybe you've gone through a divorce or an illness or just slow payments. You know what? We've got all the bank portals and the specialists to help you get approved. That means you'll be driving a newer vehicle like this beautiful Renegade at a lower rate the whole time rebuilding your credit. And don't worry, there's a ton of factory warranty left on this little Jeep, and we'll be happy to transfer that all into your name. Our best form of advertising is a happy customer. That's why we offer a different experience here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. You get to deal specifically with one or both of the owners. We walk you through the whole process. We'll answer all your questions. There's no games, no pressure. You'll really enjoy it and see why we're set apart and why things are different here at Miracle Truck and Car Company.